Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am going to try to not rock my chair in this video because I realized that in my previous video I kept on doing this while I was talking, and you know it's nice to do this really, but anyways I'm going to try not to do it this time around. Anyways, my name is Patienceojeks. I don't know why I'm excited. I have no idea why I'm excited, but anyways, I hope you guys are okay at home. I hope you guys aren't too bored. I hope this isn't stressing you guys too much. Just in case, I am apologizing in advance because there is a lot of noise in my background. It is almost impossible to get like a quiet place to make a video, but oh well. Thank you to my returning subscribers and also to those of you who are clicking to watch my video for the very first time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to enjoy yourself while staying at home. Today's video, from the title you can already tell that it's going to be an eyeliner and eyelash type video because people have been disturbing me. Maybe not a lot of people, but you know, people have been disturbing me to put up a video of how I do my lashes and my eyeliner. I'm going to tell you before we start that, in as much as I said in my previous video that my liner and my brows are part of my favorite things to do, I still struggle with my liner till tomorrow. Like, I have learned so many tricks on keeping your hand on the table, keeping your hand stable so that you know you can draw your wing seamlessly and perfect without, you know, making mistakes and recorrecting and all that. I still struggle sometimes, I'm not going to lie, to do my liner, and for my lashes is a hit or miss type thing, so we hope it's a hit today. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I'll be using the L'Oreal Perfect Slim Liner by Super Liner. I'll be using this glue for my lashes. Don't judge me. I'll be using my L'Oreal Mega Volume Mascara by I don't know if it's by L'Oreal. I don't know if Miss Manga is the name. I don't care. It's a mascara. It's Mega Volume. That's what I'll be using. And finally, or last but not least, this is the lashes I'm going to be using for my lashes today. This is the Dollbeauty lashes. Guys, I've had these lashes for 2 years now. Okay, when I got this, I got 2 of it. I used the previous one till it broke in half and I have not touched this one at all. So I'm going to be using this lash by Dollbeauty. I'm going to link her Instagram handle in the description box below. And yeah, so first thing we're going to do, since you know I'm done with my makeup and it's just my liner and my lashes, I'm going to get my mirror first. Where is it? There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and do my liner first. I don't know how to explain this, but I'll try. I just draw my liner anyhow, like, except I'm doing makeup for someone. When I'm doing my makeup, I just, you know, try to be as calm and as centered as I can be because this is art. I'm not the best at drawing. Why have I been looking away, guys? I'm really sorry. Like, you know, distractions everywhere. Anyways, yeah, let's just you know, start this whole thing because I will keep talking and talking. So like I said, I'm using the L'Oreal Perfect Slim eyeliner. I start from the middle basically. I try to shade it all in, go in, do that and draw and connect it with the previous drawn line. Try to drag it out a bit. Oops, I already made a mistake, but okay. Okay. Try to connect everything. You know how some people do their lash in out? I think I prefer to start from the outer corner of my eye and slowly gradually go in. So just do that. So basically all I do is I place the body of the marker on my eyelid, leave it there for a few seconds and it stamps, so I don't have to keep dragging and making rubbish mistakes. So I do that till I get to the outer corner of my eye. At this point I just look down, leave my eyes open and drag it up. So carefully, same thing above. And there you have it. And I'm going to go ahead and do the second side. Now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my mascara. So yeah, this is what the lash looks like. The name of this style is DIDI, and I particularly like this one. I think I like this. I love this lash so much that I refuse to use it, so I don't, you know, whatever the excuse is, it works for me. Anyways, I just really like the way it looks and can't wait to try it, so let's do that now. Also, I'm just going to go ahead and put the lash glue on the lash band and allow that to sit for a few seconds, or I'm going to, you know, blow breeze on it or something. You know, just allow that to sit before I start applying it on my lash line. After that is done, I give it a few seconds for it to get tacky. And now this is the tricky part for me. You can either leave it to dry for a few seconds or blow on it, whichever one works for you. Now this is where it all gets tricky, guys. Watch me flop. Anyways, I go ahead, I place, I don't, you know, have a it goes in the middle first type attitude towards fixing my lashes. There's a bed on the window. I do this, I try to arrange everything. So yeah, now I just have to press everything down together. Let it sit on as close as it can sit, close enough to my actual lashes. And yeah, let's see how that looks. Wow. Since I've done this one, I'm just going to go ahead and do this one. It's so much easier for me to do this eye than it is for me to do this eye. This eye is a struggle basically in almost everything. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get this fixed. So I start from the outer corner. I place that there. Oh. Wow. This is about to shame me. Try this again. This. There we go. This. This is my hand to press it down. So much for easier. Yay! There we have it. So there we have it. Wow, okay. I particularly like this lash because it looks very natural. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. I'm glad that today it was kind of a hit, except for where my lash almost flew out of my hand, but we thank God that did not happen. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope I did not bore you guys to death. JM Beauty, thank you very much for this wonderful lash. This is by far one of the best lashes I have had, felt, seen, or used in a long ass time. Like, I'm not even kidding. So thank you very much for these lashes. I'm going to link her Instagram and Snapchat in the description box down below, and also somewhere in the screen. Just look out for it. And yes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, subscribe, you know, all the beautiful, wonderful things of life. And until next time, guys.